In this video, we'll show you how to open a Deriv account. To get started, click on Open Demo Account. You'll be redirected to the Sign Up page. Enter your email address, agree to the terms and conditions, then proceed to Create Demo Account. You will receive an email to verify the address provided. Once you click on Verify My Email, you will be redirected to the Traders Hub. A pop-up window will appear to enter your country of residence and citizenship and enter the account password. If you already have an open Deriv demo account, from the eu.deriv.com homepage, click on Traders Hub. Next to Traders Hub text, there is a drop-down option to select Demo or Real account. This helps you to easily switch from your demo to your real with a click of a button. To proceed to create a real Deriv account, choose Real, then click on the Get button. Select one of the available currencies and enter your personal and residential details. Next, you are requested to fill in the trading assessment, then the financial assessment. As a final step, you are requested to confirm if you are a politically exposed person and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Add Account. Congratulations! You have just created a real Deriv account. However, Know Your Customer documentation is required to start trading on Real account. Check out more videos and discover how you can make the most out of your trading journey at Deriv. For more information on Deriv's products and services, head to www.deriv.com. Thank you for watching.